Hi everybody. If you're about to say, hey baby, it's cold outside, you really need to do things to kind of perk up your wardrobe, at the same time make yourself feel warmer, but do it with style. So here are some really quick ways that you can punch up your wardrobe very easily, very inexpensively, and you can keep yourself warmer depending upon where in the frozen tundra you find yourself at any given moment. This is one thing. I had on a basic turtleneck top. I don't know why I'm getting, does this go further up? I don't think it does. I don't think this goes any further up than that. So I started with a basic turtleneck top and I put a poncho over it. Once I put the poncho over it, I decided that it would look really nice if I threw a belt over the poncho. So I did that, and then you create kind of a blousey look because you don't want it to look fitted. It has a really nice look. And then I said, okay, so now I have this look, but it needs something more. So I did a really, kind of a chunky necklace. This is also a piece I had gotten a long time ago from Chico's. And you got a really nice look. Still not warm enough? Let's take this off and let's add a piece like this. Okay, you've seen these kind of things. I have them in different lengths. I have them in different sizes. If you just put this right over your head and add this to the look, it's just another layer. It's just another layer to the look. Okay, at that point you're saying to yourself, all right, but I need to go out and it's really cold and I'm not quite sure what to do. You have lots of options for that too. Here's one. Here's a cute little hat that has a little bit of bling. Not sure if the bling is showing through. And it's got these adorable little pom-poms. It has these adorable little pom-poms, and there you go. So now you have a way, I'm gonna have to raise this up. Now you have a way of keeping your head warm in those really, really cold days. You're nice and warm around your neck. You have this nice poncho over whatever your basic clothing style for the day is. And there are just many, many ways to do this. So that's one quick way to do it. You want to go with something a little bit simpler? How about just a plain little pull-on cap? You can do something like that and have it come down over your ears and give you that extra little bit of warmth so you don't have to freeze. You're going to have your gloves to keep your hands warm. And let me show you another option. Okay, here's another option for a hat that's going to keep you warm. And this one has a nice warm fleece lining. So something like this is another look that you can do and have a really pretty nice look when you go outside. And it's one of those days when you really wish you could stay home and never leave the house. So that is that look. Don't want to wear a hat, you don't like to have it covering your whole head, this is another option. If you go with this look, this simply covers your ears, leaving the top of your head exposed. So it's another look, it gives you that one little piece that you have that look. And again, it's just another way to go. Change your outfit, wear something with the same kind of color scheme. This comes in all different colors, and you can have a completely different look with that as well. Now, just want to show you a few more options. This is another scarf. It's one of those, what do they call them? Infinity scarves, the ones that go round and round and round. So I will take this thing off and just show you how this would look. And if I put something like this on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it a second time. Once again, We are going for warmth at this time of year. So we want something that's going to really make us feel warm and cozy and still give us a little bit of a nice, classy look when we walk outside. And I think this is a great look. It really is. I think what I probably should be doing this is I should turn it sideways so you really get the whole look of the length of it. But that's one more way to go. And then if I want to totally change the look once again, I will take off my belt. I'll take off this poncho. And again, I'm just wearing this basic turtleneck sweater, but you could be wearing anything from your wardrobe. So again, I'm showing you things that would work with other colors. This is another poncho, another look, another color. And here you go. Put this one on. And it's got a little bit of a funky look at the top. I'm not thrilled with the way that looks because it's been sitting in a box and it really needs to be pressed out. Once again, I have these in many other colors, as I say, but because I don't have it in the room with me, I'll just do this once again and show you how it would look with something like this at the neckline. You want to go with another color, and you can do this. You can get very simple, totally different looks depending upon the thing that you choose to wear over the clothing that you want to keep you warm when the weather gets cold. So here we go. This is a nice, this one's a nice print. I would wear this one. I've got a black faux fur scarf. And I'm going to go get that because I think you need to see it with that. Be right back. Okay, I have a long black faux fur scarf. So for this demonstration, we'll show you this. And once again, this is a very simple poncho. And I'm going to grab a belt. And having the belt on will make it a little bit warmer for you as well. I like to give it a little bit of a blouson look for that. And once again, this is the look. I'll back up a little bit so you can see it more. Then you would have the back of it like so. It still gives you a nice long fit over the clothes you're wearing. Gives you a terrific look. Simple. It's really simple. So what I'm doing at this point is I'm just taking the things that I have on hand and I'm just rearranging them to work in different ways. There are many other tops that I have that I could show you. I want to go back to the orange one for just a minute because I do have two other styles of scarf that I can show you that you can wear with a solid color like this. So once again, here we go. I'm just not loving the way this one lays, so bear with me for a minute. Again, I'm going to grab a belt because I want to belt it in both for the look and for the fact that it's definitely going to keep you warmer this way. So once again, giving it that blouson look and just doing this. Now, I have a scarf that is orange and blue. So I'm going to put this on to add a little bit of another look if I choose to do that on any given day. So there you go. There are just so many easy ways to do this to make you look really good in that cold weather. Keeps you warm, makes you look good, and it's a great way to go. I have one more top that I can show you here, one more scarf. And again, this would be better if you had a solid red poncho or sweater, but there is this kind of look as well. Again, it would be better with the solid red. I do want to also show you how easily you can have a great look by, instead of throwing a poncho on, just putting on a sweater. Once again, they say when it's cold out, the best thing to do is to layer. Wear layers. Okay. Whether you are doing this with a sweater or a poncho, just a plain poncho to keep you warm. If you choose to belt the poncho to keep you warmer and give you a little bit of a different look, by all means do that. Then if you decide that you're going to add the little furry faux fur scarf to give you a little bit of a different look, you can do that. You can do it without it by adding a very chunky necklace. Can once again just zhuzh up the outfit that you're wearing without really doing too much. It's whatever you happen to have. And as I say, it's really cold out there. By all means, put on one of those hats. And you're ready to face the world. I hope this has been helpful for you, and it's just a very simple way to stay warm when it's really cold out there. Put your gloves on, put your jacket or your coat on, and you're all set to go. Take care.